Heavy ammo available. Down. 5 minutes remaining. You're almost there. Another battle won. On to the next fight.
What's up? You got a mic or anything? I'm about to go to the tower, so I'm just gonna bring us there. Fuck. What up?
I like the new profile picture.
Yeah, it's pretty dope, right?
It's dope. My voice is all fucked up though.
You
For
sick or
some
anything?
reason. I guess I'm sick.
That sucks. I got that like
It's
2 weeks ago.
you're broadcasting, because I was like, oh, he's broadcasting. No one likes
Yeah.
playing Destiny alone, so why not? And plus, I haven't even maxed out.
I think I got to 302 light, I think. With all this shit. I've been playing Trials. Pretty fun. $302.
I've been coughing all night.
Yeah, it fucking sucks.
I was gonna go to sleep, and then my friend started bragging about the candy he got, and then I woke up.
I didn't get anything. I just walked around with my friends. I mean, not even friends.
See,
like
what
my
I do is
cousins.
I chose which houses I was gonna hit, cause
The
I
ones that
didn't
are
feel
right
like
next to
doing
each
it.
other, so you can get like 20 houses in like 10 seconds.
Yeah,
That's what you gotta do.
and then go to the people that put in the most effort.
I mean, it's not worth it because they all give the same candy usually. Sometimes some people give like big ass candy bars, but you know, that's like
Yeah,
one
not in my
house.
neighborhood. I got a bunch of fun size bullshit.
That fucking sucks. Like dollar store shit. That
Yeah,
sucks.
dollar store shit.
Fucking hell. I keep getting the same masks I already have.
And I just spent what's left of my platinum on masks.
Oh yeah. I think I have like 3 masks left to get, so I might buy some silver just to get them. I mean, I'm probably not even gonna get them if I buy silver, so I don't know if it's worth it. So
Oh god,
that fucking sucks. I can
that
tell
tastes
how
like
much
blood.
it sucks. They're like
That
dry
one tasted
coughs.
like blood. It dry as all hell, and when you drink water, it hurts.
Yep. You think it'd help, but no. Not at all.
I wish it would help, fucking bastards. My life is bastards. I'm mad this bitch gave me raisins.
I know. 2 boxes. I got 2 boxes on me. I don't know what the hell they're for.
What am
but
I supposed to do with raisins?
What the fuck? Oh. We're probably gonna get some use eventually.
Wait,
Who
what?
the hell knows? Eventually they might do something, but they're probably just gonna sit there in our inventories, taking up space, and Bungie's just fucking with us. And we're all gonna hold on to them for forever. So.
I almost discarded it though.
Yeah. Got an exotic sword. I'm about to get my second one soon.
That's nice. I've done nothing in this game
I'll
after
help you
getting
out.
taken care
I mean, honestly, I could get you to 40. Yeah. Leveling to 40 is not that bad.
It's not that bad leveling, it's just that.
Yeah. Getting gear is fucking hard.
It's just
once
that
you
it's
get up
really
to level.
bad that I've had this game for the longest time and I still haven't done
You
one
haven't
raid.
touched it, yeah. I did my second raid and it was the new one, so. I did Atheon once. What?
I didn't even touch Vault of Glass yet.
It's confusing if you didn't.
Oh no,
go
correction, we
in.
did half of Vault of Glass.
Oh yeah,
Right.
yeah. And then we tried Crota too, but we only got to the lights.
Yeah, because there's only 3 of us.
Yeah, we sucked. But I want to try trials.
Pretty difficult
with
doing
a good
it
team.
like that.
Yeah. What light are you at?
Who knows? 172.
Oh shit. Yeah, I think you have to be 40 to try trials. Never mind. Once we get you up there, though, we gotta do that. Fucking competitive, like it almost hurts to the point, like, yeah. I just went ham in the
Competitive to where it
Crucible.
hurts.
Yeah, like seriously, it was painful playing. But I was playing with random, so that might be it.
So I was looking at this game called Battleborn.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw an ad for that.
I like it because it looks like Borderlands, but
Yeah.
it looks like something else.
I was interested, but I didn't really look into it that much.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Alright.
I'm gonna die.
What do you have to do?
I'm gonna die right here.
You probably shouldn't do
I
that.
don't know, to be honest.
You just spent like 60 bucks on a game. I mean, like months ago, and you haven't even played it.
I
First time
spent
playing.
$40, boy. I
I'm
didn't
sorry.
spend 60.
So,
I'm still game sharing with Corey. I stopped game sharing with my other cousin. Because he definitely got on my nerves. He's definitely someone I don't want to talk to right now.
yeah, that happens with cousins a lot. It's great.
Alright, I'm gonna do my Dreadnought mission.
Alright, yeah, I'll help you with that. I got called light skin today. Apparently.
That doesn't even make sense. You're white.
Yeah, no, I have no idea.
That makes no
I could
damn
understand
sense.
it. I was in the dark before, but then I went into Burger King with them, and they still thought I was like. They asked if I was black or something, and I was like,
Your hair
not
doesn't
me.
even. All right.
They didn't ask me. I probably had a really dirty face though, so like to the point where I look Mexican, so it's okay. And greasy ass hair, you know, that kind of yeah.
Well, that's a common for you. So
Yeah, that's like Dylan trait. So, where is? I thought I had something in here I had to get, and now I'm like, just my brain is dead. Fuck, I remember now. Zer sells bullshit every week again, so that hasn't changed.
Oh, I forgot about him. Where is he, by the way?
He's in the hall, like straight forward. You'll see him. If you know what I'm talking about.
Is it bad that I just passed him without even looking that way?
Where the
Oh, that's a nice looking helmet. Grant's Shade Step.
Oh yeah, I bought that one. I got a 40 Hunter now, so that's kind of cool. I haven't played it much though.
Why do these helmets look like a bunch of freaking astronaut helmets?
I know. It's really hard to make that one even look
This one just
good.
makes you look like a Power Ranger, and I really
show
like
you.
it, to be honest.
It's pretty cool, and it gives you shade step, which makes you like do a barrel roll. It's pretty awesome.
I thought it was a teleport.
No, it's a barrel roll for hunters. I'm gonna
That's-
show you.
That's gay.
It looks kind of cool because nobody else can do a barrel roll, but that's the only reason it looks cool.
Alright, I'm gonna buy it.
It's worth it because there's nothing else to buy this week anyway. I mean, the gun is okay. I don't really like it, but you know.
I can't even wear it.
Are you Warlock?
I forgot. It's a different account. Remember, I got rid of that Warlock.
Oh yeah, shit.
That Warlock is PS3.
Level 40 you gotta get to. Bruh. This is the only way you can make this helmet look good. Okay? You have to be
Look
wearing
like a
this
damn
gear.
astronaut.
I know.
You
You
look
have
like
to,
an astronaut.
you have to be wearing this gear and you have to
Alright,
want to
let's
look like
go
an
to orbit.
astronaut.
I'm trying to do my Dreadnought mission before
Yeah.
2 in the morning.
Yeah, that's
Jesus,
a good
no.
idea. It's fucking late already. I still haven't carved my pumpkin, and it's already past Halloween.
You do that? You carve pumpkins?
My mom grew
Are
pumpkins
you a
this year.
hipster?
She grew them, so I kind of have to. Let's
So she
go.
wants you to just carve up her work? That's just
Yeah,
weird.
it's great. Yeah.
I know, right? It's like, hey, I grew this. Now I want you to destroy it.
Oh, fucking hell.
Almond Joy
Oh shit.
brings me joy.
I think Almond Joy should bring everybody joy. It's in the title.
Almond Joy brings me joy when it doesn't have almonds in it.
It can't be too almondy. Just the right distribution between joy and almond is like that's what you gotta
AKA
get.
no almond.
Yeah. Seabass username. I totally forgot his username.
Who?
Sebastian. Oh, there it is. Shogun Blader. I get a request
Talking
real
about the
name.
same Sebastian.
Probably. He's watching my stream. That's why I started
Our school?
broadcasting. Yeah, that's why I started broadcasting, because he wanted to watch my stream, so.
Alright, let's go to the Dreadnought.
Yeah.
Because I can't press it.
He's gonna
Unless you
get
make
on
me
in a
leader.
minute, too. What do you want to do? Patrol, or you have a certain quest you have to do?
Make
'Cause
me
I'll
lead.
you
Make me leader.
Yeah, so you could actually do your quest. I almost hit
Oh,
boot
it'll go
fire
real
team
quick.
member. Fuck. Oh, I have a Zer mask. I was gonna show you at the tower, but totally forgot that too. So.
I mean, you could just equip it and then I can,
Yeah, but
you know.
it doesn't. It's not as cool now because I was gonna put it on.